Here's how to repair your 1990 to 1991 Mustang's door chime module. First, remove the module from underneath the dashboard near the steering column. Then, use a small screwdriver to pry open the module case. Disassemble the module. Use a small screwdriver to release the tabs on the speaker retainer. Remove the speaker disc. Use a razor blade to remove what remains of the foam speaker surround. Put the speaker disc back in place and position the included O-ring over the speaker disc. Reassemble the module and reinstall it back in the car.